Unfortunately, there are many families struggling to pay their home mortgage, and we hear about so many options for families seeking relief from foreclosure to simply walking away from the home. RE/MAX Unlimited Realtor and certified distressed property expert Randall Walton has some suggestions for families in this situation. And good morning. No relation, but you know, did you get those John Boy jokes growing up?
All the time.
I did too. Everywhere I went, good night, John Boy. Well, let's talk about some more serious stuff here. The short sale. What does that mean, and how do people know if they can even qualify for a short sale with their home, especially if they're struggling to make payments?
Sure. A short sale is when your lender is willing to accept less than what's owed for the property versus your mortgage. So as a quick example, say you owe $100,000 on your home, and the most you can sell the home for is, say, $60,000.
Okay.
A short sale is when you negotiate with your lender to accept the $60,000 as full payment for the money owed.
Now, what can make you qualify for that? Because it's not obviously open for anyone.
That's an excellent question. You qualify based upon a legitimate financial hardship, which could mean, as an example, loss of income due to displacement from work. It could be as a result of a medical situation. You've been hospitalized or you've been injured, and as a result you can't work. So it has to be a legitimate hardship that can be documented, that you can document in writing for the lender to approve.
Okay. Well, tell us about actually making that happen. Is it really possible for a lot of families to avoid foreclosure?
It is. It's possible, but you need the help of a professional to help you put together a compelling case why you qualify. Simply saying I can't afford my mortgage is not enough. You have to be able to demonstrate that. You have to provide proof sources in writing. In some instances you have to get affidavits. So once you put together a compelling packet of information to submit to your lender, oftentimes they're willing to accept the short sale.
Okay, and I know you're certified in this. What are some of the small little things too that you've learned by taking these courses that could help people?
Well, a couple things. First of all, a lot of people think that foreclosure, simply walking away from their home, is kind of the throwaway option. They'll simply just say, okay, I can't afford my home, and they want to move on. What they don't realize is that in the state of Ohio, this is what's called a recourse state, which means if you leave your home and it goes to foreclosure and there's still an amount owed on the home after the foreclosure is completed, you're still liable for that amount. In addition, your credit will drop about 300 points. You can't buy a home for 7 years. There are a host of different reasons why you don't want a foreclosure and you want a short sale. A foreclosure will stay on your credit report for 10 years, et cetera, et cetera, et cetera. So those are some of the things to be concerned about.
And quickly tell us too about a loan modification option.
Good question. Loan modifications are available to people to help them lower their monthly mortgage payment, again with the approval of their lenders. And not everyone qualifies because you still have to be able to afford that new loan amount. Many people go through loan modification only later on to fall out of the program because they can't even afford the new loan payment.
Okay, well, some great information from Randall. We appreciate it. And we're going to have more information about short sales and maybe even how Randall can help you on our website later this morning. Thank you so much. We appreciate it.
Thank you very much.